يكون زي ده يعني اقعد ده شويه من الفيديو بتاعك. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته. جريد 9 معالي انترناشونال سكول VTU. Inshallah, we will study today respiration and the human transport system. We have two kinds of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. We define respiration and we talk two kinds of respiration. But what is respiration first, or what is aerobic respiration definitely? Who can answer? Someone? Are with me?
Yes, Mr. Aerobic respiration?
Aerobic respiration, yeah.
Respiration done with the help of oxygen.
Thank you, Salman. That's aerobic respiration. I want another one to answer what is anaerobic respiration. I want to revise just on the last lesson. What is who raised his hand? I want what is anaerobic respiration. Just Salman, Dalal, Sili. Where is the other? I want anaerobic respiration. Where is the other? Where is Mishari? Where is Muhammad Subhi? Muhammad Awad, where? You are with me, Muhammad? Muhammad Awad. You are with me? Muhammad Awad, you are with me? Okay, another one. Muhammad Subhi. Okay. So, what is anaerobic respiration? Just I will choose also. Anaerobic means what?
Anaerobic respiration is the chemical reactions in cells that break down nutrient molecules to release energy without using oxygen.
Thanks. Excellent. So now we will talk some past paper. All of the students see it well or no? All of the students see it or no? All of the students. Salman, you hear me? You hear me well?
Yes, Mr.
Salman, all of the paper in front of you is clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now about the that is core your syllabus in school, respiration and the human reproductive system. Number one, we have two characteristics of living organisms are nutrition and respiration. Let's say three other characteristics of living organisms. I want three of other
movement.
What is this?
Movement.
Thanks, movement.
And reproduction.
Yeah. And also, I want two. I want two. So we have growth and movement.
Sensitivity. Oh, sorry, excretion.
Okay.
And excretion.
Yeah, thanks. And also another one.
And sensitivity.
Okay.
And growth.
Just Salman answer. I want another one. Just Salman. That is number one. We said growth. No, growth. Thanks, Salman. Okay. Growth. Number two, movement. We choose just two. Movement. Number three, excretion. All of you see me? Okay. Number 4, reproduction. If just we add 2 of this one, just 2. Understand? Just we want 2. Growth, movement, excretion. Irritability, okay. We have irritability, we have reproduction, a lot of movement, but we have nutrition, desperation. We have another one here. I want another one. So participant who raised hand. Where is Abuta? What is the answer of the second question?
Sir, I don't want to answer.
What? The second question? Are with me?
Yes, sir. I don't want to answer. But Mister, we don't have a sheet to know.
In front of you, do you see it well? Do you see it well in front of you or no? Open the screen, you will see, you will see the sheet now. You don't see well? What's your problem? What's your problem? The sheet in front of you. Now, the second question is, name the process by which green plants produce carbohydrates. Who can answer this question? Name the process. Okay. Also, okay, I want another one. Salman and the largest. Where's Mariam? Okay, so Mariam. What is the process, Mariam? Mariam?
Name the process by which green plants produce carbohydrates, photosynthesis.
Just Mariam, I want the process. I
Yes,
want
so
the process by which green plants produce carbohydrates. It's a process that green plant do. What is it?
Photosynthesis, right?
Thanks. Thanks, so. Photosynthesis. Mariam, you see the screen well?
Yeah.
Okay, all of the students, I wish all of this like Mariam see the screen well. Thanks, Mariam. Thanks a lot. So now that it's photosynthesis process, you write it photosynthesis process. Understand? That's photosynthesis process. The following questions, or the next question. So we study respiration where the last time. We have some question here. If we choose the second question like that, living organisms release gases into the atmosphere as a result of their various activities. Various here mean different activities. Community living that attack like that or across like that. Which gases are released? I will give you 2 minutes just to think, then I will choose. Just Salman, the Mariam also. I want another student. I want another student. Who can answer? In this one, carbon dioxide released. I want this one. Who can answer this question? Just Salman. I want all the other students. I want all the students to participate with me. Animals in bright light. Carbon dioxide release into the atmosphere here, on the atmosphere here. And oxygen release into the atmosphere. What about animal in bright light? Okay, so do animals in bright light produce carbon dioxide or no? Right? I will choose just Salman also, okay? Just Salman. Huh?
Yes, Mr. For number one,
Animal
animals
in
in
bright light, Salman.
carbon dioxide and
Thanks. Yeah, do you like to
green
take or no?
plants in the first one tick.
Oxygen
And the
released into Salman in the atmosphere.
the second one is oxygen released into the not this one.
No, thanks, Salman. Thanks,
Green
Salman. I want to
plants.
choose 1 minute, Salman. I want to choose another one. Muhammad Subhi, are you with me? Muhammad Subhi.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, green plants in bright light. You understand the question, Muhammad, or no?
Yes.
The screen is okay for you?
Yeah, it's
The
okay.
screen, you see the screen work. So I want the answer now. Green plants in bright light.
Oxygen released in the atmosphere.
That green plants in bright light, it will thicken carbon dioxide or no?
It will take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen.
Thanks. That is so carbon dioxide here, no. And oxygen release into the atmosphere, yeah. Okay. So I want another one. Take part with me, please. Okay. Where is Abdullah? Where Abdullah? Another student. Where is Muhammad Awad? Where are you? Muhammad Awad, you are with me? Muhammad Awad, you hear me well? Another one. Muhammad Subhi Salman and Ala Al-Asiri. طيب, okay, Ala, the third what animal is in the dark? You know it?
Yes.
Animal
In
in the
oxygen.
dark. Yeah, animal in the dark. Carbon dioxide first one. The right, we take right or cross.
Right.
Thanks. And the other one, oxygen released into the atmosphere.
False.
Thanks. Thank you. The other one, green plants in the dark. I want to choose another student. I'll choose also Muhammad Subhi. Okay. Muhammad Subhi, what about green plants in the dark?
Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
Huh?
Carbon dioxide, the first one.
At the right, thanks. And oxygen released into the atmosphere. To the right or wrong?
Wrong.
Thanks, Muhammad. Excellent, Muhammad. I want other students to about like Ala, like Salman, like Muhammad. Okay. Now we go to another question. We go to another question here. Just. Inshallah, I will send this. Inshallah, this PDF complete to all of you. Table 1 shows frequency of human blood groups in a population. Human blood group A, B, and AB and O. That's the percent frequency in the population here. Okay. That is, it needs axis here. You can plot it. It's very easy. You will write 4 columns here. You will draw 4 columns here. Okay. So he upload the data in the table and the bar chart. Bar chart like what? Like that. So the bar chart like what? The bar chart like what? Like that. I will give it. I will draw with you 1 minute. Now, 1 minute. It will be like that. A bar chart like that, like that, like that. That is called a bar chart. Understand? He wants here columns. So that is the R axis here. You oriented carefully that the axis here. That is the x1. That is the y, and you plot it. It is very easy. We have 4 columns. That is it is very easy here. So write 4 columns like that. According to what? According to the table up. Okay. That is the table. That is the table in front of you. Write A, B, A, B. To hard A, then B, then you complete, then B, and you write like that. You'll draw like that. Okay. Type. What type of variation? I know that questions you don't talk in respiration, but you will take in the bus paper. You want, I don't take. You must answer it. A type of variation here, this continuous variation. The reason is that there are no intermediate values. No intermediate value means no separation between the four groups. There are distinctly separate sets of values. Okay? Understand? On to another question. This is a section through the heart. Remember the heart? That is a section through the heart. I want the student to take part with me. Name the parts labeled A and B. What is A here? What is B? What is A and what is B? Who can? I will give you the line now. Who can answer A and B? Who can answer A and B? Does Salman also? Okay, Salman. We will talk Salman. What is A, Salman?
Mr. I don't want to answer, but I have another question.
What?
Mr.
Can you
Why?
please voice, Salman.
Saying, I don't want to answer, but I have another question. Why are we taking the core past papers? Shouldn't we take extended?
What do you want, Salman?
Take extended past paper or no?
What about A, Salman, now? You don't understand me? You know it?
No, Mr. I'm asking, why aren't we taking extended? Extended, why? No.
That's a variation. Do you remember? You want to ask the question? About variation?
No, Mr. Extended past paper.
Extended. We have core. We have another question for extended. Yeah, but your syllabus is cool. So we have another question now. We'll explain now. We'll show it now for you. Don't worry. But what about A and B? You know it?
Mr. A, maybe this bicuspid valve.
A is bicuspid. A?
I think so.
What bicuspid is tricuspid valve. Or it's called right atrioventricles. It's called right atrio, the same ventricle. Okay, someone. Atrioventricular valve. That is another name that is equal this one. Or tricuspid valve. Or you can say right cuspid valve. Okay. Thank you, Salman. Mariam, 1 minute. Thank you, Salman. Thank you. Mariam, I want. What is B? You want it? You know it? You know it or no? Okay, we'll choose another one. Muhammad Subhi.
Mr. B is I think the pulmonary vein.
Thanks. Pulmonary vein. B is pulmonary. Like that. Pulmonary. So, question: which is the cavity of the ventricle which contain oxygenated blood? Which contain oxygenated blood here? It is not oxygenated blood means that is ventricle. That is the left side, not the right side. So you will shade it the left ventricle like that. You will shade it. That is the left, or all of them. That is the left ventricle. You shade it like that. Okay. Understand? I will go to other question. So just why the wall around chamber C is much thicker than around chamber D? Why? Why the wall here chamber in the chamber C is much thicker than around chamber D? That is chamber. I'll give it to you. That is chamber C. That's chamber D. Why? The question now. The question now. The wall in the chamber. So this is why the wall around chamber C is much thicker than the round chamber D. Why? Who can answer? I have just 3 students. Okay. Salman for a student. I want other participants to take part. Thanks. 5 students. Okay. We have 5. I will choose one of you. Okay. I will choose. Like this time. Where is the other? Like, yeah. Why we choose number C, not number D? Second.
Right ventricles pump blood to the lungs, which is shorter distance, but the left ventricles pump the blood to all body parts, which is the longest distance.
Thanks. Excellent. Excellent. So right thicker, right wall. Thicker wall. The thing is what I will organize the information for you. Can generate a greater pressure, The word pressure here is very, very important. Number one, mean the more powerful push, mean the more powerful push. Okay, that's okay, and that's okay. So that is the reason. You know, I will repeat another time. So the in the chamber C, thicker than chamber D. That's the question number 4. But this question is related between transport and at the same time respiration. Because we talk in transport and we talk in respiration. You understand me? That is the thing. What happens? We'll choose another question now. The coronary arteries supply blood to the heart muscle. I want the participants. The coronary arteries supply blood to the heart muscle. So just to activate the human which might cause the clot in a coronary artery. You want to just 2. Who can answer? We have to. But what is the relation between respiration and respiration? Okay. This question is related to the boost chapter. Okay, Rami, thanks for Rami. What are the reasons, Rami? You hear me
حبيت
well?
اسلم عليك بس حبيت اسلم عليك.
What?
اخبارك عامل ايه يا مستر؟
You know the activities or no?
مش عارف بس حبيت اسلم عليك.
Thanks, Rami. I'm coming. Thanks, Rami. Thanks a lot. So now the arteries, do you know what Muhammad Subhi? Excellent, Muhammad Subhi, mashallah. Okay. Muhammad Subhi.
Mr. Coronary arteries supply the heart with the food and oxygen.
Thanks. Okay. You have another question, Muhammad? Another answer? Or we choose another one? Where is Ala? Ala, you know the answer?
Yes.
What is the answer, Ala?
Lack of exercise, fatty diets, and smoking.
Thanks. So we have lack of exercise, smoking, okay. If we said smoking, that's okay. Excellent. Number 2, we have lack of exercise, we have stress. Problem. We have stress. We have okay, fat or cholesterol, HM diet. We have lack of exercise, same as lack of exercise. Just we have to. You have 3 now. Spleen might result of such blockage. Blockage means they block the heart. Why? Why? You know? Mariam, why?
I think because of much layers of fatty substances or cholesterol depositing on the wall of coronary artery.
Excellent, Mariam. So that is a reason. But according to this question, okay, because I want another one. Right, maybe supply of oxygen, maybe restrict supply of oxygen, maybe restrict supply of glucose, maybe restrict supply of sugar to heart, maybe to the ventricle, maybe muscle in the area dies, maybe heart attack, thanks, maybe cannot respire. All of them, they are, you will choose two of them or three of them. Okay, we have other question here. Sugar to plan of circulatory system. That's the plan of circulatory system here. The question now, that is lung, that is head and arm, that is up, that is the heart, that is in the liver, okay, small intestine, that is kidney, that is lower. That is the lower one, that is the higher one. The question now, label where urea is formed. Label where urea is formed there in the liver. I will give you 4 to choose. Liver or small intestine or kidney or lower body and legs. Where? Salman. Where Salman?
Kidney.
Where?
Kidneys.
Urea is formed. No, urea is go to the kidney, but not formed in the kidney. Okay, Salman, formed where? Do you remember? Mission of area. Okay, thank you, Salman, for your participation.
So what were the options?
Okay, Salman.
So what were the options again?
It's formed in where, but it will go
So what choices?
To make filtration in the kidney. But where is formed? You have another answer?
Mister, what are the choices?
Raise your voice, Salman.
What are the choices?
What are what?
Choices, options.
Oxygen? You want to ask Salman? Can you raise your voice well? Okay, I want to ask about Aboud where, okay. Label where the urea, you know the answer? Urea is formed?
لا يا مستر واحدا، بس حبيت اقول لك مستر انه مستر خطك يعني حاول تظبطه شوي عشان الدرس الجاي، بس دي اللي عايز اقول لك عليها.
اوكي عبد الله،
انه احنا يعني احيانا ما نفهم عن الخط.
I will clear my voice now. I will clear my voice now.
خطك
you know the answer. It is clear now. The voice is clear now, Abdullah.
الفويس كلير مستر، صوتك مبين بس الخط.
Now that's clear now. The voice.
مستر خطك مستر مش مفهوم عليه.
I want another one. Ala. What is the answer?
In liver.
Is formed.
In liver.
Thanks. In the liver. Thank you. That is in the liver. Okay, Abdullah, like that. Okay, Abdullah. It's the liver here. You want another line, Abdullah? Okay. Abdullah, that's clear here. It's the liver here. Okay. Label where urea is excreted. I want another student. How to choose the same. Malak. You know the answer, Malak?
Yeah, urea is excreted in the kidney.
Where?
Yeah, urea is kidneys.
So Salman, thank you. That's in the kidney. In the kidney. Thanks a lot. So Salman, I will return to you another time now about the kidney is okay, right? I will return it to Samman because the urea is formed in the liver, but it excreted in the kidney. You are right when excreted. If I said excreted, that is in the kidney. If I said formed, we said in the liver. Okay, because the liver have a lot of functions. From this function, it will form the form. It will form the urine. Okay. So using a series of arrows, the route taken by urea between these two organs. How? We want two arrows. Series of arrows. I will answer this one. Arrow from liver to heart. From liver, this one to the heart here. Number one, arrow from liver to heart, and the heart to kidney. Liver to heart like that. And heart to the kidney. Go from heart to the kidney. Then the kidney here. Not like that. Okay. Then arrow from heart to lungs. Heart to the heart to lung up. And arrow from heart to lungs. From here, from heart here. Then to lung and back to the heart. Then it will return to the heart. Okay. What is this question? That's alternative to practical. You will go to this question.